In the box you will find all the tap and electronic components, the installation guide and a user guide. Make sure the water is turned off at the mains before you begin. If there is a waste disposal installed, it may need to be removed so you have a clear working space, including any other easily removed traps and waste pipe. If you have a mains pressure system, install the mixer as supplied with the aerator and yellow restrictor. If you have an equal low or unequal pressure system, replace the existing aerator and yellow restrictor from the mixer with a supplied flow straightener white. If you don't have an existing hole, cut a mounting hole 35mm in diameter. Apply thread tape only to the solenoid Y connector side thread and screw into the S female socket of the Y connector. Screw the Y connector assembly via the port to cold water supply inlet. Insert the battery into the control box. Mount the control box at least 200mm away from where the solenoid is fitted, but no more than 250mm away from the mounting hole in the bench. Note the relationship between the points. Attach the red and black cables to the prongs on the solenoid valve. Connect the solenoid valve to the control box. Fit the O-ring seal to the base of the plastic flange, then fit assembled flange to the base of the mixer. Connect the two hose tails into the respective ports using the colours as reference and secure with an Allen key. Screw the threaded stud into the mixer body. Tighten all with a screwdriver and Allen key. For this stage, you may need a second pair of hands to help steady the tap. Fit the plastic and metal horseshoes around the hoses and over the threaded stud. Fit the tap sensor connection over the stud and screw the hex nut loosely by hand to secure. From underneath the bench, screw in the remaining blue hose tail into the remaining cold port. Screw the flexi hoses into the hose tails. Before tightening off the nut, make sure the mixer is aligned on top of the bench. There are 3 earthing options available. Where there is no power outlet available, try option A or B. Option A. Secure the contact washer end to the metal appliance with high strength adhesive tape. Connect the earthing loom to the matching control box loom. Option B. Attach the Jubilee clip to the end of the hot inlet pipe or suitable earth metallic mass. Connect earth loom to matching control box loom. Install the earthing plug into the power outlet and reconnect any existing appliance plugs and leads. This is a 100% safe connection that allows for earthing only. Connect the end of the supplied plug with the matching control box loom. For an unequal pressure system, fit male to female brass nipple with plastic regulator sleeve in flow regulator pink and then fit to C port of Y connector. Using the coloured hose tails, connect the flexi hoses to their respective ports and secure with a spanner. To calibrate, remove and reinsert the battery. Once the battery has been reinserted, the red LED will be lit. The calibration sequence automatically begins and lasts for around 10 seconds. When the red LED goes out, the calibration is finished and the installation is ready to use. Please make sure that the circuit wires are secure. Use the adjustable cable ties and bundle the wires together. Secure the clips to the cabinet wall, making sure the wires are clear of the cabinet. Reinstall the waste disposal and any plumbing fittings as required. Turn water back on at the mains and check for any leaks. Test the tap by turning the tap on and making sure hot and cold are correctly configured. Then touch the tap for a 2-second flow. If you are having trouble installing the mixer, refer to the installation guide for troubleshooting or call us on 0800 74 3358. Once the tap is installed and working correctly, refer to the Axis Touch Sink Mixer Features and Benefits User Guide.